Here's a great deal on a 2013 Audi Q7. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of an Audi are offered, including a power seat, a trip computer, heated front and rear seats, a headlight cleaning system, a power rear cargo door, blind spot sensor, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.